yeah. Feed the bird now.
You love Sean Paul, man. Sean Paul fan.
We just finished putting a transmission in and it's all set, ready to go. So now we're just adjusting everything to get this T-bracket in. And that's pretty much it. We're waiting on drive shaft from the drive shaft shop. And that is it. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Transmission went nice and smoothly. We did do the transmission with the motor in the car. Some people are like, can you put all-wheel drive transmission in with the motor in the car? We did. I don't know. You know, I don't know what else to tell you.
So as Chad said, the all-wheel drive trans is in. Trying to get the T-bracket situated. And then yeah, as you guys know, this is the EK hatch for Urban. That K swap EK on TikTok. Oh, nice price. This, you know what this is like? You have like an automotive, like a award show. But like, hey man, you win this, and then you say a speech. Here, give a speech real quick on behalf.
On behalf of S1 Built and EGKRRTM Hassport mounts.
Okay, cool. I'll give it back.
Okay, sorry.
Alright guys, here's EK hatches in here for the all-wheel drive kit. He already got his arms on. His diff mount. The diff, we're just waiting for the drive shaft to come in. We're gonna head over there with the measurements. And as Chad just gave me this, I'm gonna try to get this set up in there, make some adjustments today, and then that should be it.
Yeah, that's the little
pressure.
That's the fuel pressure.
Oh,
for the fuel pressure sensor. Yeah.
Oh, so you're gonna integrate it?
Yeah.
Because the harness that I got, this little adapter that came with it, is garbage. So I need a factory one so I can hold on tight.
Hold on tight. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's slipping off like my. Anyway, so I won't even talk about that.
This. I'm gonna raise it up real quick, show you guys the kit and everything that's done to it right now. He wanted to keep his own lower control arms, which is fine. Our kit works with universal lower control arms. He has an Alpha 6. Kept his own toe. Kept his own camber kit, which is fine. Got our billet forks. Delta 7 diff mount. Yep, so we're waiting for some axles. His drive shaft. As you guys saw, the transmissions in. We said earlier. Yep. Yeah. Another drive shaft out.
No, actually, I thought I didn't. And then you're coming back for the axles, right? Correct.
No, you got like 3DA shells.
It does?
Yeah, I told him.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See here moves.
The DAs are rare.
He keeps saying that. Is that true now?
Yeah, man.
It's getting there. Yeah. You know, I got a friend that's in Cali. I went to go visit, and I didn't know. You know, I haven't seen him like in
Alexa?
almost 30 years. That's all he does is DA.
You know how many of those I've bought and cut up and thrown away?
Yeah, I know.
Like,
hold on to those 90 Integra. I mean, 90 Hondas.
Really?
The price is going up. Yeah.
Yeah, big time.
I'd have never guessed that.
Like the GSR right now, like the.
Oh yeah, see that, but that's different though. The GSR, but
like before you get for like $3,000-$4,000. Now they're like $10,000, $12,000.
Yeah, but most of the time when you find them, people put the B20 in it, and it's got the B16 trans. It's like no. Where's the parts that actually count? Like, oh, well, I threw those away. Why did you do that?
Yeah, so this is bolts for that.
Oh, the hardware for it. Okay,
for that. I'll give you that.
I appreciate that.
So weld the plate itself onto the chassis with a nut, and then drill the hole to exactly where you need it
Oh, so then it's actually not just bolted to the frame, it's also bolted to that, which is welded to the...
Well, this part is welded to the frame.
Right.
And then this part here would just be a bolt on.
Okay.
So this way when you take it off, it's much easier to
Okay,
take
no,
off.
that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of
Yeah.
sense.
And we've seen people, all they do is just weld this right onto the chassis. But the only downfall to that is if you want to take it off, you would have to unbolt this and you have to slide it.
Yeah, and it's just like, why not take the extra 10 seconds to do it your way, and then it makes it a lot easier. Well, that's
much
really
stronger. Yeah, we've seen a lot of them rip apart, like literally just rip apart. And we keep telling them, first thing we said, don't use rib nuts for anything in the all-wheel drive. Nothing. I mean, people use it for the back bar also. We've seen those things rip apart, break diff, break all kinds
Everything
of stuff.
twists, yeah.
Yeah,
That ain't
so-
cool. How did you guys ever get that K-truck done?
Oh, come on, look at it.
Dude, I've been watching you guys, and that looks really interesting.
Look where we're at now. We're almost started. So,
Alexa, off.
we got this cable. This is actually a factory cable. I gotta use it, but we gotta find the right bushing. But this is just getting everything done. This is factory.
Wow.
The factory shifter that came in this truck. It worked out perfect because in the beginning we're gonna have here, and we're gonna make on this side, this one here, we're gonna make a kind of like a lever system, where when you go one way, it goes the other way. But we found out this is long enough to bring this thing back this way, and we made a bracket here, and it works perfectly. The shifting is first is here, second, so and it shifts really smooth, like
stock.
like stock.
That's where you want it too. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah. The biggest challenge was basically the clutch because it's cable.
Right. Yeah.
So what we did was, if you look down under here, we built kind of like the reverse, because there was no room to put anything forward.
Oh yeah.
So we reversed
Wow, that's
everything.
pretty sweet actually.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming you had to do a shitload of test fitting, correct?
Yeah,
just
we
to
did.
see and like actually
Yeah,
try to
we
figure
did,
out
yeah,
what's
we
going
did,
on.
yeah.
That's why I like coming here, because it's not just bolt in, bolt on. Like you actually have to think about what you want to do, which most people don't want to do that. No?
Check it out, guys. These are the merch he was selling to get the money up to get his all-wheel drive kit going. And you say his brother wanted to be a content creator or something?
Yeah, so his brother passed away, and his brother's dream was to be a content creator, so he took over that dream, and he wants to do his 10-second pass in honor of his brother. So make sure you guys go follow him and support him. We appreciate his support, and we can't wait to see his build when it's done.
Cool. Yeah, guys, check him out. Buy some of his merch. That's it right there.
That's some of it.
That's some of it right there. Some of
He
it.
still has bundles and more stuff on his page, so make sure you guys follow him on TikTok.
Yeah. Definitely, as Pam says, follow him on TikTok. And yeah, this is a kind of a dedication to his brother. Brother passed away, wanted to be a content creator, so now he's a content creator, building his car, 10-second pass for his brother. This is it's like very inspirational. Like you don't hear that every day. You know what I mean? And yeah. Hopefully this car bring him, some sort of happiness, passion for cars. A lot of times people don't know about building a car, then driving it, horsepower, the torque, it does something to your nervous system, not just for guys, but for anyone. So don't look for happiness, build it. So stay tuned, you guys. After the drive shaft comes in and the axles, he's gonna pick it up. And we're going to show you a clip of that also. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.